Welcome back to Naturally Curls. I'm Rain, and today's video is about the Shea Moisture, their Manuka honey and yogurt line. I have the mask and I have the balm for your ends. So the mask is the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate repair protein power treatment, and it's to strengthen and protect extremely dry and bare hair. It's a mask treatment. You only have to leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it work its magic, and then wash it out, and then do what you normally do with your hair. Style it as normal. I've been using this for every couple weeks and for the last few weeks actually, and I have definitely seen an improvement in my hair. My hair absorbs moisture a lot better, and it keeps frizz to a minimum as well. So I think I was definitely lacking in the protein section for my hair, and so putting this in my normal routine has definitely changed it. So I've also gotten the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm, and it has basically what this has the I'm going to mispronounce it, the Mafura baobab oils. I can't pronounce them. I wasn't expecting this texture. It's kind of like a waxy, thick texture, and I kind of thought it would be more like a grease or oil, but it's a lot thicker than that. So you only need a little bit, or else it'll probably build up. I haven't had that problem, so you only use a little bit at a time. But it does work. It keeps ends a lot more manageable. I usually have frizzy ends, like at my twist ends, they usually frizz out after a couple of days. But with this, it keeps it all in control, and so my twists have started lasting a lot longer with it. And it doesn't really have, I guess it has a bit of a scent, but it's nothing too strong or heavy, so it shouldn't be like an issue. Ooh, this one smells really good though, the mask. But yes, I've been wanting to try these products for a while. I'm glad I finally got around to it. They are definitely worth checking out for yourself. And if you think you want to try out a protein mask, definitely start with the Shea Moisture one. I highly recommend it. It will definitely be a normal product from now on in my hair routine. So that will be it for this video actually. So I will see you guys in the next video.